Cindy with Fred and Cindy and Barefoot Adventures. We are here in Laurel, Mississippi, and behind me is the Bird Dog Cafe. I'll take you on a quick tour. Stay tuned. So these two houses were the ones that they ended up buying. The I guess brothers bought in the hometown store. Show, sorry. So here is the cafe. I guess that's the bird dog. There's the two signs. Oops. There's the wall of windows.
We also need a Cuban and a meatball.
Here's outdoor seating. We sat out here when we had lunch with our puppies. Hey. And we were told that he bought that house as well. So this house he's turned into the kitchen. Oh, somebody else with puppies. Gotta go say hi. So we had lunch here the other day, and it was, I thought, way overpriced, but it's supposed to be high quality ingredients. We had 2 sandwiches. Fred had the tuna club. I had a Cuban, 2 drinks and 2 cookies, and it was $43, which I think is a bit much. But anyways, this is the bird dog, and we met some people in line at Pearl's. They came here last night and they had a stuffed chicken breast. They shared it. It was $22, but they said it was excellent. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed our little tour of the bird dog here in Laurel, Mississippi, and we will see you around the campfire.